So from here, you will enter towards your kitchen area. Wow, the space over here is beautiful. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Prestige Suncrest, a project by Prestige, which is located in Electronic City Phase 1. And today we are here to check out that 3 BHK sample flat. But before that, let's check out the surrounding of the project. So exactly just behind me, it is the sales office of Prestige Suncrest. And this sales office is constructed on the land parcel itself. So here is the land parcel, the total 6 acres of land parcel. Now, before checking the sample flat, let me tell you that exactly what is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, thereby resulting in too many calls. But in Housey, we connect you directly with developers, as listing in Housey is done by builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's do the project overview of this project. So as you can see in the miniature, this is the main entrance of your project. And this is total 6 acres of land parcel where they are coming up with 2 towers with each tower of 3 stilt ground plus 23 and 24 floors having 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium residencies. Now as you can see the amenities, here are luxurious amenities. This is the grand clubhouse and just behind the clubhouse you will be provided with the swimming pool. And then the garden area, jogging track, this is the basketball court and many more. Now coming to the location part, this project is located in Electronic City Phase 1 and this road leads you towards Electronic City Phase 1. Now let me guide you about the connectivity of the project. So Hosur Highway is 5 minutes away with nearest metro station is also 5 minutes drive. With HSR and Koramangala 30 minutes away from the project and Silk Board is 30 minutes away from the project. So now this is your 3 BHK sample flat of 1769 square feet super built up area. Now let's have a look at it. So this is your entrance. From here you will be entering towards your beautiful house. For security purpose, here is the digital door lock. And now this is your entrance lobby for your privacy. And from here you will be entering towards your beautiful and rectangular living and dining area. So firstly, this is the dining area. Here you can set your dining table as they have said for your reference. And now this is the living area. So this is how you can set your sofa set. Likewise they have set you. Like this they have set here in front of your TV unit. Now let's move towards your balcony area. So here comes your balcony area. So this is your balcony area. Here you will be getting the anti-skid tiles with iron railing. Now let's move towards your kitchen area. So from here you will enter towards your kitchen area. So as you can see in kitchen you will be getting the L-shaped fitted marble platform and the sink part is separated over here to avoid the mess in your kitchen. And now even they have provided the dry balcony, that is the utility area. So in utility area you will be provided with the anti-skid tiles and the washing machine provision. So how beautifully the work in kitchen is done, right? Now let's move towards your bedroom area. So as this unit is in butterfly concept, one bedroom is towards this side and other two bedrooms on my right hand side. So firstly, let's check the common washroom. So here comes the common washroom. With anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting, here you can notice that the sink is provided inside the washroom itself. And now this is your beautiful bedroom. That is your bedroom number 1. You can check the space here, the ample of space that the builder is provided, and with the bed space, the wardrobe space in the front. Additionally, here you will be getting the sitting area, that is the balcony area too. So here comes the balcony area. With anti-skid tiles and iron railing. Now let's move towards the second bedroom. So exactly beside this bedroom, you are being provided with the second bedroom. So this is your entrance lobby for your bedroom, for your privacy, and on the right hand side, you will be provided with the washroom area. So the washroom was pretty good, and now this is your bedroom area. You can see the ample of space over here and how beautifully the interior work is done by the builder for your reference. This is the wardrobe space. And now over this side comes your window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now I know that you guys are waiting for the master bedroom, right? But before master bedroom, let me tell you that what all key features Housey provides you. So in Housey, you have been provided with the actual location tour of the project with 6 sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, with 360-degree location tour and payment scheme and EMI schedule. And all these features are provided under one platform, that is www.housey.com. So for this, you need to just visit and register yourself for free and register quickly for site visit. Now let's check the master bedroom. So walking through your living and dining area, we are entering in your master bedroom. So here comes your master bedroom. Wow, the space over here is beautiful and ample of space that the builder has provided you. Here you will be getting a window for cross ventilation. And one more best part over here, that is the balcony. Yes, the builder is providing you with the sit-out area. So from here, you will be enjoying the beautiful and scenic view. Again, in this balcony, you must have checked out the iron railing with the anti-skid tiles. And now comes the attached washroom over here. So this is the attached washroom with anti-skid tile CP sanitary fitting, and the sink is also provided inside the washroom itself. And for more details of this project, click on the I button, and for more such videos, do not forget to like, follow, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.